Welcome back. Today, we'll be showing you how to set working hours on eBanqo. First, log into your eBanqo account and head on over to Configurations on the left panel of the screen. Navigate to the bottom of the configuration menu to Working Hours. In this section, you can set your opening and closing time for your business operations during the weekdays as well as the weekends. If you have any special working hours, let's say during daylight savings, you can set that as well, and also for holidays. Once confirmed, hit Save Changes and you're good to go. It's that easy.